3. Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we talk about what is path matrix in graph theory. In a graph theory, a path matrix is a matrix that shows whether a path exists between any two vertices of the graph. Okay, then it is called one. Okay, then it is called path matrix. Okay, let us see the mathematical definition. Let G equal to V comma E. V is nothing but vertices set and E is called edge set. Be a simple digraph. Digraph is nothing but what? Simple directed graph with n vertices. And it is a path matrix is denoted by capital P equal to Pij and is defined by capital P equal to Pij n by n. So here n by n is nothing but we consider both rows and columns are what? Vertices only, that is equal to 1 0. When we will assign 1 means what? There is a path between any two vertices, then we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so for example, we have to travel from one vertex to another vertex. If any path is there, then we assign value is 1. Suppose there is no path from one vertex to another vertex, then we assign value is 0. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.